Okay, I guess we can't let others wait. So let us start. Uh, Maybe other can join in between the session. Okay, so for the in starting the first of all, Deepak will be starting this introductory session, the first ever session of GDSC. So Deepak, on to you.
Yeah, but sure.
Wait, let me share my screen. Is my screen visible?
Yep, it's visible.
Yeah, it's visible.
Okay, Deepak.
So let's start. Welcome to the first session of GDSC NITW. This is Deepak from the core team. So today's session is all about introduction. You'll get to know, or you'll get to learn about all the inside and outs of GDSC, how GDSs actually work, and our team lead Divyanshu Bhaiya would take on from here. But before that, just make sure to ask any of your questions in the chat box, and we'll also have a Q&A session in the end. So Divyanshu Bhaiya, you could take on from here.
Okay, so am I? I guess my mic is on. Check. Mic is on. Okay. So if you ever faced any question, like if you want to learn any technology and don't know where to start, if you want to discuss about any technology and don't know where to discuss where to discuss it, if you have difficulty in making projects or if you have difficulty in making team or for hackathon, if you feel you are missing out some opportunities, if there is any question as such you are facing in your life, then I guess, and your answer is yes, then you're at correct place. The GDSC NITW is here for you. So basically, what is GDSC NITW? So GDSC NITW is a developer student club, which is a university-based community groups of students who are interested in their technologies. Okay, the students who are basically interested in technologies. Students from all undergraduate, graduate programs within an interest in a growing as a developer are welcome in here. Students grow their knowledge in peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions on local business and their community, helping students to bridge gap between theory and practices. So basically, in this community, we will be like working on the development of a student on individual base as well as on a community base. How the student should work so that he or she could help community. So, but the question is why? There already exist so many clubs in our college as well as out there in a community. So why GDSC is required? So GDSC basically focuses on three factors, that is connect, learn, and grow. By connect, I mean to meet the student that are interested. Wait a sec.
Me, are you moving the slides?
Yes, yes. Okay. Are the slides not visible?
No, it was not moving before. Now it is
Okay,
moving. Yeah,
okay. Let me just share my entire screen. Are they visible now?
yeah, they are visible. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks for telling me that, people. Oh, so by connect, I mean to meet the students that are interested in developer technologies at our university. Also, all we are welcoming all the students from diverse environments, whether be it they are from different majors or different branches. It does not affect in GDSC. They can from any background. By learn, I mean the learn from the range of technical topics and gain new skills through hands-on workshop, event, talks, and project building activities, both online and in person. So I cannot promise you in person until and unless our college opens, but let us just work on whatever things we have got and see how much we can achieve on the online session. By the grow, I mean to apply the new learning and build great solution for local problems, be it any problem that you face around you, be it any shopkeeper or any other local business that you feel that requires the need of any technology that you learn at GDSC to advance your skills and career and network, give back your community and helping the others to learn too. So, for what all you will be learning at GDSC and ITW, to learn new technologies, to participate in multiple contests that are conducted by Google explicitly for GDSC community, as well as to receive guidance by the experts in the society, to contribute to open source, to find like-minded people that work on the same technology as you are or you are interested in, to make projects in a team as well as alone. So what type of sessions we will be conducting on GDSC? They are basically like hands-on workshop. Also there's a solution challenge that is very interesting challenge, trust me, which will be coming around in the month of September, oh sorry, in December and January, I guess. I haven't got informed from the Google developer clubs right now what all will be in the solution challenge this year, but as soon as we'll be get informed about that, I will be update you about the solution challenge also. There will be expert talks from the different domains, be it ML, web dev, UI, UX, game development, everything. There will be study jams, and I can give you a little bit of sneak peek that you will be like having a study jam sessions within this week, within this month also. I'm not going to tell which technology, but there's going to be a very interesting session from Google itself. So and also an industry experience talk will be bringing out different personalities from industry which are currently working in the big tech companies to tell their how to reach there, what all they did, and what all you will be doing there. So there are what all domains we will be focusing on in this session of GDSC. We'll be focusing on AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning, of course, web development, competitive programming, interview preparation, mobile and app development, and as well as industry experience. So let us start by meeting the core team, which you all been waiting for. So I am Divyanshu Tyagi, the current GDSC lead for session 2021-2022 at NIT Warangal. I am currently a student of second year MCA course, and my interest and tech stack is in web development, basically Monstack. I've done several projects during my bachelor's as well as in the first year of my master's in React, as well as participated in many big hackathons also. I was the vice president of many societies in my bachelor, so I need know how to lead a society and how to work with the team. Also, currently, I am exploring the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. These all are my social handles that you can see on the screen where you can contact me. I will be majorly active on LinkedIn. Uh, so yeah, let's meet the next member of our team, Amrit.
Uh, yeah. So thank you, Divyanshu. That was a great introduction by you, and I'm eagerly waiting for some of those great events to happen in our institute and learn from them. And now I will begin my introduction. So, hello everyone. I am Amrit Pandey. I am the head of PR and social media team for the GDSC NITW team, and you can find me anywhere on the internet with this username handle called OKA. There may be slight variation like a hyphen in the middle or a underscore, but more or less, if you find OKA, that will be me throughout the internet. Okay. Now about myself a little more. So I am a second year MCA student at NIT Warangal, and I graduated in civil engineering from Jabalpur Engineering College in the year of 2019. And in third semester of my college, I started development and coding, and since then I haven't stopped. And my interest over the days have just peaked and peaked and peaked, and I haven't stopped till date learning about development and programming and exploring new stuff in computer science world. In 2018, I joined various online programming communities like Free Code Camp, 100 Days of Code, and 301 Days of Code. And I worked with 301 Days of Code very closely with the team members. And I joined there as a member, and then I expanded my knowledge and skills. So I became a contributor to their core repository on GitHub. So after that, the founder of the movement, Benjamin Spark, realized my potential, and he promoted me to the administrator of the community, where I was assigned the role to manage 700 community members and formulate a code of conduct and also contribute to their core repositories on GitHub. So I also write a lot on technical stuff and difficult. I explain difficult to understand things in very layman terms, or to someone who is just new to the technology. So I have gained experience in that sphere as well. Now in 2020, to expand my knowledge in computer science even more, learning some of the core computer science skills like operating system and database management system, etc., I decided to enroll into the MCA course at NIT Warangal. So in 2020, I joined NIT Warangal, and since then I have learned so much, and I'm looking forward to learn even more after joining the GDSC NITW team. This is the first time I am handling the PR and the social media role, and definitely the inspiration behind it was learning a sector or a skill that was untouched from my side. So I'm looking forward to learn there as well. So if you would like to connect with me and you have any questions, you can ask them in chat box, or you can connect with me directly on LinkedIn. And if you go to my website, which is on the screen, you will find various other social media handle of mine where you can connect with me. So thank you. That was all about me. And now I will ask Aditya to continue the session. Thank you.
That's a great introduction, Aditya. You can start now.
Your voice is not audible. You're on mute.
Now?
Yeah, you're clear.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm Aditya Srivastav from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. I'm the current head of GDSC NITW. I'm also an app developer and participated in code with the app development. So about me, and sure to bring some intermediate and beginner friendly and workshops for to get you started, and also many things planned for this session. Even some of the events that Google will be bringing for and things. So make sure to subscribe to channels and on the social medias for updates. Finally, these are the handles. You can contact me regarding any information of the club or any doubts in general, Android or GSOC or open source or anything. So thank you very much, Siddhanta, for his introduction.
Hi everybody, I hope I'm audible. My name is Siddhanto. I am currently in my second year of MCA from NIT Warangal, and I'll be heading the AI/ML programs as a core team member. I did my undergraduate in physics, so I've always been hands-on with data because that's all we do in physics. And I interned with Indian Institute of Nuclear Medicine and Allied Sciences as on the field of motor movement distinction, which is basically using an EEG data to figure out which body part is moving, whether it's your hand or whether it's your leg. And over there, I also worked on a Twitter bot detector, which was based on feature sets that are completely human readable, so that if anyone is being flagged as being a bot, one can see what sort of features were being used to figure that out. And apart from that, I also I interned at CSIR as a patent analyst, which largely revolved on me on creating a large set of text corpus. Uh, and currently, I am interning with Public Health Foundation of India on their application layer side of things. Apart from AI/ML, I'm also very invested in the impact of technology on society, and I also have knowledge on computer modeling and simulation, especially in terms of computational social science, which is basically modeling bits and parts of society to figure out certain key aspects of it and insights from it. And I'm very excited for new members to join me. I consider myself a beginner, and I am a beginner, and it'll be wonderful to learn with all of you. And I'd like to call upon the next speaker, Deepak.
Awesome. Hey guys, this is Deepak. As you can, I'm the head of graphic design operations here at GDSC NITW. Talking more about me, I've been for quite a while now, and I've made some cool designs tools such as Blender, Krita, Inkscape, and Game. To check out my graphic design portfolio, check out my social media handle _DGWork. Share your thoughts on this, and please feel free to reach out to me, like for and even JavaScript. Like I have gone quite deep into it, and I'll be glad to your awesome ideas. Finally, welcome to NITW. Now I'll stop my chatter. Let's move on with the session. So, Dr.M.Sandhya, a faculty advisor. She is an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. But, big question, how will we conduct everything online? So for that, we have our social media handles, updates, and you could always communicate with us handles. Bevy and Gmeet will be used to conduct our sessions, talks, and all those. Is always the first option to give out important information such as invites and important updates. GitHub, as always, for collaborating with code, creating good content. Bhaiya would take on and show you how one could get to be a part of this community.
That's great. Thank you, Deepak. So, to get into GDSC, there's a very simple step you have to do. Nothing fancy. You just need to go to your browser, browse in GD. Wait a second. Go to this chapter page, with the URL which I have already provided you on the PPT, or simply search GDSC NIT Warangal. You'll get to this page. The first link will be here. You have to click on join us. After clicking it, it will redirect you to sign in. You can simply sign in with your Google account. It won't take any of your personal information. Of course, it's Google, so it can't take any much more than that. It's already have all the personal information. So click on join us, where after joining us, you don't have to do anything. Maybe you can also just, if you want, you can follow us on our social media, which are whose handles are given here as well as here, where we'll be updating you about the future events, jams, study talks, and sessions we will be conducting. Also, you will be getting email invites. Also, if you click on join us, you will be getting regular updates, automated email. So no need to worry on that. So that's a simple step. You just have to do that. It's free, and also we are not asking for any money. So just join us. If you don't even are interested in GDSC, maybe you can just join us and wait for any update. Maybe you will find any other technology or any other session that you are interested in later that we are conducting. So yeah, that's. And what are the benefits of becoming a member? Of course, that's the first question that you're coming in your mind. First of all, you will be improving your skills and getting opportunity to teach others, and getting a chance to get your blog, projects, and stories showcased on our GDSC official pages, as well as in the Google developer community. Also, becoming a part of this such a renowned community of Google developer is itself in a big cause. You should become a member of this. Now, is there any questions? Of course, you can ask in chat and we can respond to that. Yes, guys, you can start asking the questions in the chat and we can respond on that.
Thakur late is saying that he doesn't know about GDSC, so you can explain about it. So Divyansh, can you briefly explain about GDSC?
Yes, of course. So, first of all, welcome Vishal. So GDSC is basically a community-based groups of students interested on technology. These GDSC groups are basically in different colleges. those colleges which have registered for Google Developer Student Clubs all have a dedicated GDSC club in their college, where we'll be like working on developing the students' education, basically in the field of technology. Majorly, we will be try to keep the sessions and talks we do on the products of Google itself. But as far as our as far as your responses goes and your interest goes, we can increase our domain and we can explore different fields also, and which we will be definitely exploring different fields. GDSC doesn't is not a biased community. We do not bias on the basis of the background or any other major that you come from. Be your biotech major, be your from physics, or be it from your English. If you have interest in any technology that we are promoting, we are conducting sessions, you can of course be part of GDSC and work on that. As well as we will be working on improvement of a individual, as well as working on individual to so that he or she could learn to be a part of a big community, and how to work in a community and how to get to a team. That's what we are majorly focused on. Also, I guess you must be having a doubt that why don't we have a web head of web development. So let me just before anyone asks that question, let me just clear it that we got so many good responses of development when I circulated the forms of recruitment of GDSC. So me and my faculty advisor came up with an idea. Why don't we just send mails to those individuals which got a great profile, and maybe ask them to conduct a guest lecture on a GDSC, so that each and every one of them gets an opportunity to part of a club, and as well as address such a huge audience. So that's why there is no web development admin, head of web development in here, since it's the first chapter of GDSC NIT Warangal. So for this year, we like to keep the things slow and make a foundation so that you can develop a community on this platform, on this base that we set up in this year for the upcoming batches. Yeah. Is there any questions anyone want to ask?
Free to
Thank you,
ask
Vishal.
any sort of.
What are the prerequisites for certain committees like ML and AI? I guess Amrit, you can take that.
Well, Siddhanto is quite,
Yeah. I'll take this.
experienced
I'll
in
take this.
answering that. Yeah.
Hi, Atin. I don't think there should be any prerequisites for any committees or communities. I don't like to have that because AI, ML, and data science is something that is very pan discipline. See, I told you I work in a neuroscience department. I had no idea what an EEG is, but I learned about the data sets and everything. But I feel that if you want to have a certain comfort while we have talks like that, you should have some basic understanding of simple ML models and some understanding of statistics and linear algebra. That is enough. If you have linear algebra and some one or two papers on statistics, you're fine. You'll be ready to go for AI ML. And if you want to be ahead of the curve, you can go on YouTube. I think Berkeley has a very good course on AI ML. And if you want some shorter courses, there's a YouTube channel called StatQuest, which puts around 10-minute videos on lots of different AI ML domains. So that can give you a heads up. Otherwise, no prerequisites, in my opinion. None whatsoever. I hope that answers your question.
So Siddharth is asking, is there a number on how many people can be part of GDSC and ITW? So
No, of course. Yeah, you can be any number of students can be part of GDSC and ITW. It's just you will be by joining the club on the page that I showed you. By doing that, you will be receiving email updates from us on the events that we'll be conducting, and there's no cap on the number of students that can join GDSC and ITW.
To add
So
to
others,
that,
yeah,
just a
yeah.
second, Divyanshu. That Siddhanta, there is just the facilitator of the events from Google to you, and we are just the core team handling different sectors of these sessions. So to the number of members who can take part or can be educated or can take part in the sessions from the Google. So be clear on that and make sure to join the club page. I have given the link, so make sure to click and join that. Thanks for the question. Next, we have Discord and WhatsApp groups. So I think Amrit can take up of that. PR relations. Cool.
Yeah, sure. As of now, this is just an introductory event, but as we are going to hold more sessions and we are going to have more workshops, as someone was asking, will be working on any kind of project. So definitely on sessions we will be showcasing some of the demo projects, and on the workshops we will be having hands-on experience on those projects. So if I combine both of these questions, we are definitely going to have a sort of space to communicate with the team members. Maybe it will be on Discord or WhatsApp. That will be decided later. I guess I have answered the question.
Yeah. Let me take the next. What we will be working on? Will we be working on any kind of project? Will we be working on any kind of project? Pratham, your question is not clear. Yes, we will be working on different types of projects through the sessions and talks we will be arranging. Not from us also. We'll be calling out, contacting different GDSC chapters as well as different people who are expertise in their domain. And we will be doing a lot of projects. Yeah, great.
To the projects part, Google what months of coding where you will be given some certain projects to do. So we'll be having projects to get whatever things you are working on, technologies you will be working on. So starting, so this will be conveyed to you from this session this committee, so that we can inform you that GDSC has taken part in NITW, and now we'll be conducting sessions. So we'll be starting soon, Adarsh.
Also, others we will try to do an event or a talk every month. We'll keep to that, but as the session goes, we'll see to that, and at least we'll try to keep at least 1 or 2 talks within a month. Also, there will be explicit Google event also on the different technologies, web dev and ML and AI, which we will be informing. That a separate event. But the talk from our side, we will be conducting different talks and try to keep at least one a month. Yeah. What if we have any idea? Can we expect the required help from GDSC community? I guess that's a follow-up question. Yes, you can, of course. Of course, you can ask GDSC community for any help, and yeah, of course, you can ask. You can reach to us on our mail as well as on a WhatsApp group that will be circulating to you, or on the Discord channels. Discord channels will take a little bit of time, so we'll inform you that on our social media platform only or through the mail. Just click on the join button. Yeah. Uh, this will be certificate course or demo projects. So yeah, Vishal, joining the club is not like you're applying to any course. So basically we are just like a non-profit organization. We are not getting any salary or paid anything about for this. So you definitely you will be getting certificate when you will be like participating on the for different talks and sessions. or any other workshop that we do, you will be getting certificate for that, as well as all the demo projects. Yes, we'll keep that in mind, and we'll like this will, yeah, you'll be getting certificate for different workshops and that. Yeah, we'll definitely will be circulating the certificates. Yeah, I can see that attendees are leaving. So before anyone just has any work to do, before leaving, I should just inform you that you will be receiving a post-event form on your mail ID. So I would request you all to just fill that form and tell us your feedback, what all you want to just see in the upcoming session of GDSC. It will really help us a lot to plan our events and plan our things according to your responses.
So one more update, I have pasted the WhatsApp group link where you all can join. We will be using this group as of now to communicate immediate and further notices or any updates we have in the team and club. So please click on that and join that group. I have also pinned this on the chat so you can find it.
Take this link and share it in your groups, and all those the students who have missed the session, maybe they can join this WhatsApp group and get update regarding that. I guess Aditya can take that. Aditya, okay, Aditya is asking that.
Get the responses on that. Just sure.
Just a thumbs up will be great.
Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. We'll be
I can see a
so
lot.
gear up.
Yeah, of course. I can see a lot of responses on Android. Yeah. Ask up if you have any more questions. You can ask. We'll be waiting 5 to 6 minutes more. Yeah.
Guys, come up with any sort of questions you have.
Okay, I see no more questions now. Last message. If anyone wants to ask anything, you can please. Okay. As a member of WSDC or GCC, I'll be conduct sessions and what facilities and other technology talks to use. On GDSC, you just need to, and we'll keep you posted on the events and. So
Also, Vishal, you will get to connect with a lot many people and gain the knowledge of expert in this field. And also Google will be helping us in various things like knowing their technology like cloud and uh, whatever they provide to us. So that is also one more thing to add in this.
Yes, Hitesh. Yeah, of course. It's the club is only meant for those only, majorly for those who are just like beginning to the coding and stuff. If you are a first year or even a like a beginner, you don't even know how to write a single line of code. This club is for especially for those people also. Also, we'll be conducting advanced workshop also for those who already are familiar with coding. We'll be doing that also. But yeah, majorly we'll focus on development of the people who don't know anything about coding. That's great.
Yeah, actually, I too started as a non-technical, non-CS guy, and I had to search a lot on the internet regarding various, tutorials and coding and everything. And I think that whatever I have gained in these last 2 years or so of doing things by my own, I think I can be a great help to anyone who is starting from a non-computer science or non-IT field. So looking forward to help you all.
Okay, I guess questions. Divyanshu, we can
Uh,
give the ending talk.
yeah. Okay. So I guess we can just. What do you think? We can just give them rights and they can share. They can open their camera. We can click a photo. What do you say? Okay. Okay. Let's do that. Just help me out. Just give them the rights. Presentation rights. Amrit, can you help me in that?
Okay, yeah, sure.
You guys can just switch on your camera. Maybe we can take a photo. That of course. Yeah. Presentation on. Hello, Vishal.
Hello.
Hi,
Come
Bye.
others.
on, guys. It's you all are same from same college. There's nothing to be shy. You can switch on your camera.
Actually, Divyanshu, is it like I am giving them the rights and you are taking the?
No, I am also just
Is
clicking
this
the
something?
presentation. No, that's not the thing.
There's
Um,
there's button over there. It says presenter mode off, and
Maybe
I'm
they are
clicking
doing it
on
by
it, and it's,
themselves.
yeah,
Maybe.
I'm clicking on it, saying presenter mode on, and
Okay.
then you
My
are
hands are off. You do
okay.
it. I'm off.
Okay, I'm
You do it.
giving them the presenter mode. Okay.
I'm off. I guess they also have rights to just
So we'll just
turn off the
ask
presenter.
them.
Just for the, yeah, just for
Turn on
the
the camera. You can just
Yeah, you can.
post a message in the group. We'll turn camera. We'll turn on your host.
I think most of them have the presenter mode.
Yeah, give
Yeah,
permission to Adarsh and Hitesh also. They're asking in the
yeah.
chat.
I think I have given them, right, presenter mode. Okay, so Hitesh, have you got the?
a lot of people asking for permission.
Tushar,
Okay, Tushar, I'm giving you.
Rohit, Pratham.
Okay, Tushar, you have also been awarded the presenter mode.
You have to click the pop-up that comes. Do you want to become a presenter, and then you can switch on your video.
Yeah, I think
Now you can
that.
now you can switch on your video, Adarsh. Yeah, hello Adarsh. Yeah. Vivek, you can also switch on your video. Okay.
Hello, Adarsh.
Okay, right.
Hi, Rohit.
Hi, Rohit.
Hello. Hitesh Shield. Hitesh, are you still struggling? It says you're not. I can't.
Hi, Akhil.
Oh God.
Hi, Karthik.
Hitesh is still struggling.
No, I have given him the presenter mode about 3 times now.
Yeah. Hitesh, you have to click the pop-up that comes here. Do you want to become a
Also
presenter?
Tushar also. Yeah,
What's happening?
I guess they have to, accept, and I can't.
I also gave them presenter mode. Okay, I guess there's some bug in that.
There seems to be a. Everyone can just turn on their camera. We'll take a snap and then end the session.
Yeah, then you can leave. Let me just take with the snipping tool only.
Vivek. You can snap it.
Yeah. Amrit, can you take a snap? I'll take this photo also.
Yeah, sure.
Take a screenshot or something.
Guys, give some pose, like cheese or something like that. Like everyone.
Come on, keep your face smiling.
Okay.
You're not on a funeral.
Okay, I'm taking, right? 1, 2, 3, cheese.
Got it?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you all. Thank you. That will be a wrap up. Thank you all for coming. It's a great event, and we look forward you to for coming and attending future events that will be conducted. Thank you all. Thank you a lot for coming.
Thank you so much.
Everyone, and welcome to GDSC NITW, and we are going to have a really great year forward. Thank you.